Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
Hey guys, I'm back to YouTube and stuff. I'm going to be making more content, and I haven't played in like 7 months. So today we're going to be checking out all of the new stuff because I haven't seen any of it. This is apparently an arcade. Neon Cat or Alfie was telling me. I think I have only been in here once, but I haven't seen it in ages. I only know about that thing. I have no idea what this is. What is it? Oh. How do you control it? How do you control it? How do you go up and down? Oh. Is that duck?
Yeah.
That is crazy.
Game sucks.
Why? Because you're losing.
Oh,
Where are you? What are you doing? Why you sound like that?
Oh no.
Where are we going?
We're gonna get to the top of the crash.
Why are you trying to get to the top of the tree?
Wanna? They put something secret up there.
Oh no! I'm struggling so much. My neck hurts from looking up.
Go up the slide.
What?
See what I'm doing?
I'm almost at the top. Jesus, I thought I was gonna fall. Okay. I'm sorry if the camera's really glitchy because I actually don't know. What's so secret? What's the secret? I made it so
fun.
Bruh. We're in Canyons, one of my favourite maps. We got the little Christmas stuff going on. We got the baubles hanging from the ropes, and we got the colourful zip lines. Wow. And then we got the cookies, and then the gumdrops, and the candy cane. I think I already said candy cane. And yeah, that's Canyons pretty much. We have City! Look at all the stuff. All the Christmas stuff in the mirror. See this mirror? I'm not going to be needing this anymore. Play the camera now. See, a train? Wait, is the train a cosmetic? Hold on. Hold on. Is the train a cosmetic? It's just there for show. Oh my god, I am so dumb. One thing we have to try and hear before we leave and like check out this stuff. Can I still will surf after 7 months of no VR, no Gorilla Tag, or no nothing? Let's see. Right. Come on. Yes! I still got it. Nice! Oh. Alright. That was probably like really laggy for you guys. I actually wouldn't know myself, because I haven't like edited over the videos yet. But I think we're gonna go to the next map now. What map am I missing? New map. Alright, let's go. So, I have been told that this is just sea, but I can tell from the signs that it probably is a sea. I'm gonna go check it out. Let's go. Oh, I'm glitched. Okay. It's darker! It's the sunshine. Alright. Whoa! Oh, I've been here before. Basically, 7 months ago, I played on this map with Apple, and I haven't been in this map since. I actually don't know. I haven't played Gorilla Tag in 7 months, so I don't know. What's this? A cannon. Oh, okay. Oh, gingerbreads. Last time I'm here, I'm pretty sure it was all like spooky. I think it was around Halloween time. I'm actually don't sure. I think that's the last time I played Gorilla Tag, but just not recording a video. But what the Fortnite? Anyway. But yeah, I have been in that map. But I haven't been in this map, which looks very spoopy. I'm gonna make this map a separate video because I actually don't want to go in there, to be like completely honest. So I don't think I'm missing anything. If you guys think I'm missing anything, comment. But I think I pretty much got everything down. I think I looked at everything. So this video was good, and I hope you guys can welcome me back to Gorilla Tag. Bye! I miss clouds. Oh well.